Hello, it's John. Welcome to my channel. We've got another garage video on the go, and I've recently received a box from Black Widow, and what I've wanted to do for some time is put a decat pipe on, just to make the bike breathe a little easier, and also I want to take the cat off. They weigh too much, and perhaps a little bonus, I might have a bit of a better sound. Anyway, this is what's come. The pipe, a Black Widow sticker, very nice. In fact, met that two Black Widow stickers and a nice key fob. Cool. Motorcycle exhaust systems, Black Widow exhaust. I'll use that. When I ordered it, almost immediately they emailed me with the instructions on PDF. So I know what I'm doing, hopefully. So we'll see how we go. So this is the box of bits. Got all the bracketry in it. That is to stop the main stand coming up and hitting the chain, because once the decat has been taken out, it's a decat that stops the stand going up any higher. Brackets for the exhaust, even some fire gum. That's the pipe with all the nuts, can you say, welded on. Nice bit of welding as well, TIG welding, for all the brackets that surround the exhaust pipe. So you're not going to be able to see the stainless steel, because if I turn this around, you can see it's all covered in with these brackets. So I have to take all these brackets off now, and I can give it a good clean while I'm at it. The centre stand hits on the bottom of the decat. So I've got a couple of tie wraps and I'm just going to clamp it down onto my stand. I can't believe it. Look at that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh them, see how much weight I'm saving. That against that and a couple of brackets. So now we'll start putting the brackets on the exhaust, and I've weighed it with the brackets and nuts and bolts, and it's just over 800 grams. Right, we have the first bracket goes on there. I'm just going to put them on hand tight. And it's got those lugs pointing away, and then this bracket goes on. And that stops the stand from going up and hitting the chain, and that fixes on the frame. Got all the brackets back together, and this exhaust bracket has a spacer in it, and I'll just nip things up and see if we can get it all back together. Give them a nip up now. Got the main stand here, and there is the main stand stop to stop it going up too far. So I'll just cut the tie wrap, hopefully. Better around the other side. Well, that certainly stops it. I was expecting it to go up further, and that's purely and simply, look at the gap there. I mean, there was that thing living in that gap. Unbelievable. Well, I'll take it off the stand and get it running. See what it sounds like. I think you'll agree it sounds a little bit louder. Doesn't sound bad though. Well, thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you on the next one.